the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about EIZO ColorEdge CG2700X 27-inch UHD HDR monitor. So friend, EIZO today introduced the ColorEdge CG2700X, a 27-inch monitor for content creators, and it offers 4K Ultra HD resolution, 10 bpc, 500 cadmium per meter square maximum brightness, and 1450 gem 1 static contrast ratio. And friend, the monitor covers 99% of the Adobe RGB color space and 98% of DCI P3. And friend, the calibrated IPS panel is strictly for content creation, and its response time can be as high as 13 milliseconds. And friend, the monitor is recommended by the company for 4K UHD HDR movie production as it meets popular HDR broadcast standard. And friend, the monitor is accepted to be available from 19th September. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.